Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Sai Siddharth and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today I'll be doing the tumbling fish, just like the tumbling butterfly. I have a link for that tutorial in the description. Make sure you watch that this time. Right, so let's get right into it. Fold in half. Okay, fold this like this. Fold this a bit, not exactly in half, a bit, 2/3 maybe. Okay, and after that, just if you want you can do it by hand. Just a second. Right, yeah. Tear a bit. I mean till the center, till you can reach the center. Tear it. Okay, so just tear it. So till that. And then tore on the upper side, and now turn it, tear on the bottom side. Okay, so that's good. And now just push that inside that. Okay, so you got something like this. Yeah, so after that you have got a fish. You just throw it like that, it will rotate. Follow. Maybe I could show it. Just a second, I'll just show all of this. Yep, so let me show you how it works. So you just have to throw it. Make sure you throw it like this, downward. Okay, you saw it, right? Let me just throw it again. So when you leave it from a great height, it will rotate and fall down. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with many other people as you can, as it will encourage me to do more and more cool stuff for you guys. Thank you for watching. Signing off for now.